Sometimes people ask me why they are not getting traffic to their website, or if they go to Google and search for their website, they cannot see their website in search results. Why is that? Maybe you have not configured SSL for your website. Even though SSL is installed on your website and you have high speed hosting, but still you are not getting traffic. So what are the reasons? How to fix this issue? In this video, we are going to explore free technical SEO checklist to make sure that your website is indexed by Google and other search engines such as Bing, Yandex. Moreover, we are going to ensure that everything is correct in your website in terms of SEO to rank on top of Google, so we can get organic traffic from Google. Remember that websites that get organic traffic from Google earn higher revenue as compared to those websites that are not getting organic traffic from Google. So if you are not focusing to resolve SEO issues for your website, you are missing so many opportunities to make money online. Anyway, let's stop wasting time and let me explain you this free technical SEO checklist that you can implement on your website and fix those technical SEO issues. Let's start. So the step number 1 of our technical SEO checklist is fixing SSL issues of your website. As an example, if you go to my new website learnwithzubair.com, you can see this website is marked as not secure. So what is the problem? A lot of people ask me in my Telegram channel, send messages on Instagram, and also some of you asking in YouTube comments. So what is the problem? How you can fix this not secure issue of your website? Very simple solution. If you have SSL certificate on your website, you get HTTPS version of your website. For example, if you go to my main website digitcrafter.com, you can see here I have HTTPS version of my website. But if someone access your website with HTTP, in this case, if you have SSL certificate on your website, the HTTP version of your website will be redirected to HTTPS version. As you can see here, if I enter HTTP version of my website and press enter, this will redirect my HTTP version to HTTPS version of my website. But if you don't have SSL certificate on your website, in this case, your website looks similar to this website and all internet browsers will mark your website not secure. So how we can fix this? How we can fix this not secure issue? Simply, if you are using WordPress, go to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins. Here, click on add new plugin. Here on plugin page, search for SSL, and the first plugin you will find, its name is Really Simple SSL. You can see it has 5+ million active installations on WordPress. So this plugin is going to solve our not secure issue of our website. So let's install this plugin and then activate it, and then click on install SSL, and next click on save and continue, and our SSL certificate is activated. Let's see if we fix this not secure issue. Refresh our page and you can see here our website is secured. If I click on this view site information, you can see here the connection is secure and we have valid SSL certificate on our website. So friends, this was step number 1, that is fixing SSL certificate issue on your website. Now let's move to step number 2 of our free technical SEO checklist, and that is having one version of your domain. What do I mean by one version? If you go to my website learnwithzubair.com, you can see here my domain name is learnwithzubair.com. But if I enter this domain with www version and press enter, you can see it redirected www version of our website to non-www version, and you need to choose one version of your domain between www or non-www. Why you need to choose one version? Because if you don't do this, you will index each page of your domain URL 2 times on Google, and technically your every page of non-www version of your website will be competing with your www version of your website, and this will confuse to search engines and your visitors to decide which one is correct. So I recommend to choose one domain URL of your website between www or non-www. It's up to you to select one version of your domain URL. Simply you need to go to your domain registrar, and under advanced domain management you can see here my domain is from Namecheap. You can see here I have CNAME record with host www with the value learnwithzubair.com. So having one version of your domain URL is very important. Having one version of your domain URL will help you to rank on Google and will have better user experience. So this was step number 2, that is having one version of your domain URL. Now let's move to step number 3 of our free technical SEO checklist, and that is configuring permalinks of your website. I have already explained it in my recent video, but in short let me explain it again. For example, if you go to my main website digitcrafter.com and open any article, for example this one, the power of AI, open this article, and after my domain URL you will see this part of my URL. This is the permalink of my article. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard and then click on settings and click on permalinks, and here under permalink structure you need to select the option with post name. Click on it and then click on save changes, and by doing this WordPress will only show post name with your domain URL, as I showed you example of my this post here. So this is how you configure permalinks of your website. Now let's move to step number 4, that is connecting your website to Google Analytics. And what is Google Analytics? It is a free platform from Google to track performance of your website. As you can see here, you can track users, you can track views of your web pages, average engagement time, sessions, bounce rate, key events, engagement rate, and so many other options. You can track users from different countries. You can track performance of every page and post on your website. You can also track sessions. So it's very descriptive platform to track everything about your website. And soon I shall publish a complete tutorial on Google Analytics, because it's very helpful to track your website performance and increase sales. But for now, in this checklist, we are only going to connect our website to Google Analytics. So to add your website to Google Analytics, go to admin and here click on create button and then click on property. And here you need to enter property name. In my case, it is Learn with Zubair. Select your preferred reporting time zone, your currency, and then click next. Select industry category here. My industry category is computers and electronics, and then click small, whatever you want, and then click on next. Select here your preferred business objective. In my case, it's generate leads, and then click on create. And here you need to choose your platform. In my case, it is web. Click on web, and then enter your domain URL. And next enter its stream name and then click on create and continue. And here the first method is you can install it manually on your website, but as our website is on WordPress, so we shall use this option install with the CMS or website builder, and then click on next. Here you can use your preferred option, but for now I am going to use SiteKit plugin, and this SiteKit plugin is from Google. So make sure that SiteKit plugin is installed on your WordPress website, but if it's not, let me show you how you can install it. Go to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, and then click on add new plugin. And here in search plugin, search for SiteKit. You will see this plugin SiteKit by Google. It has 4+ million active installation. Click on install now. And this is awesome plugin to track real-time performance of your website directly from your WordPress dashboard. Now next click on activate, and our SiteKit plugin is installed. Next go to set up it. Click on start setup, and here you need to select connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. Click this checkbox and then click on sign in with Google and select here your Gmail account that is connected with your Google Analytics, and then click on continue and then click on again continue. So here Google need to verify our website ownership. Click on this verify button and then click on allow, and finally click on setup and click on next. Now this SiteKit plugin automatically connected our website Learn with Zubair with Google Analytics. This is our property name and this is our web data stream, and here you need to match this tag ID with your Google Analytics tag ID. For example, you can see here this tag ID exactly matched to this one. So to complete your Google Analytics setup, click on this complete setup button, and it says congrats on completing the setup for analytics. Now to test this that our site is successfully connected to Google Analytics, go to Google Analytics and then click on this test installation button. As you can see here, it says data collection is not active for your website. If you install tags more than 48 hours ago, make sure that they are set up correctly. So as you know, we just configured Google Analytics on our website, so it may take a few minutes, a few hours to complete this setup. After connecting your website to Google Analytics, you can see all statistics in your SiteKit plugin. Our SiteKit plugin is gathering data from our Google Analytics account, and it can take up to 72 hours before stats show up for our website. So friends, this was step number 4, that is connecting your website to Google Analytics. But if you face any issue connecting your website to Google Analytics, Analytics, I am here. You can comment below in this video to get help, or you can connect with me on my Telegram channel, or you can send message on my Instagram accounts. I am available all the time to help you. Now let's move to step number 5, and that is submitting our website to search engines. And let's start from Google. If you have a website, you need to tell Google, hey Google, please index our website. And if Google index your website, it will be visible to people who are searching on Google. So it's simply adding your website to Google Search Console. So to submit your website to Google Search Console, simply go to Google and search for Google Search Console, and here go to Google Search Console and click on Start Now. You can simply start Google Search Console if you have Gmail account. As you know that I already have set up my Google Search Console. So to add my website, I will click here and then click on Add Property, and here click on URL prefix. Here we need to enter our domain name and click on Continue, and you can see our ownership is automatically verified. Why it's auto verified? Because we already connected our account to Google Analytics. So Google automatically verified our website. Next, go to our property. As you can see here, it's processing data, and it may take a few minutes, a few hours, or maybe a day, depending on size of your website. When you submit your website to Google Search Console, you will get an email from Google showing that Google has started to index your website. This step of adding your website to Google Search Console is very important, and you must follow the same method to index your website. So the people searching for your website through Google, they can find your website easily. Of course, Google Search also shows website based on the keywords that a website is targeting, but it's an other topic. But if you want to know what are the keywords and how you can target them, you can watch out my videos that are listed below the video description, and by watching these videos you will get some idea about the keywords. Anyway, let's move forward. Until now we tell to Google to index our website, but what about other search engines like Bing and Yandex? We also need to tell those search engines such as Bing and Yandex, so that we can get more traffic, we can bring more visitors who are searching on Bing and Yandex search engines. Now again, go to Google and search for Bing Webmaster, and here click on Bing Webmaster Tools, and here click on Sign In, and here you can sign in with your Microsoft account, or you can log in with Google or Facebook account. For now I am going to use my Google account, and here you can see I already have some websites here. And next, go to Add a Site, and here you need to click on Import. Click on Import. So we are going to import our website from Google Search Console. To begin this process, click on this Continue, and again click on my Gmail account and click on Continue, and next click on Allow. So Bing Webmaster is showing us one website that is not added in our Bing Webmaster account. So to add this website, click on Import, and now it's adding site information. Congratulations, our site is added successfully to Bing Webmaster Tools. You can see here it notified we have successfully imported one site from Google Search Console, and click on Done. You will see here notification, your data and reports are being processed, and it may take up to 48 hours to reflect. So like Google, it also may take some minutes, a few hours, or a day. So we just need to wait. Now let's move to add our website to Yandex search engine. For this, again go to Google and search for Yandex Webmaster. Click on Yandex Webmaster. You can see I already have account with Yandex Webmaster. So after creating your account, click on this plus icon, and here under site address, add our domain URL, and click on Add. And you can see here it's showing us 3 methods to verify our website. So we shall use meta tag option to verify our website. Select this code, copy this code, and then go back to your WordPress dashboard, and then click on plugins and click on add new plugin. Here search for WP code plugin. This is awesome plugin to add custom codes in your WordPress website. As you can see here, it has 2+ million active installations. Now click install now, and then click on activate. After activating the plugin, go to code snippets, and here go to header and footer, and here in header section paste the code that we copied from Yandex, that is our meta tag, and then click on this save changes. Next, go back to your Yandex settings, and then click on this check button. And friends, you can see here our website is successfully added in Yandex using our meta tag. This is our confirmation code, and this is the verification date. So friends, this was step number 5, that is adding your website to search engines. Now let's move to step number 6, that is checking our website if it is mobile friendly. In this step, we need to check that how our website looks on mobile devices. So it is very important as a lot of visitors will be visiting your website from mobile devices. And to check this, go to your Chrome browser. For example, my website digitcrafter.com. Here in Chrome browser, right click here and go to inspect, or simply use Ctrl+Shift+C buttons, and here we are. You can see here my website DigitCrafter is mobile friendly, and to check on different devices you can select any device. For example, this Galaxy Z Fold. Click on this and you can see here how our website is showing on this device. And similarly, if you go to our new website and press Ctrl+Shift+C, and you can see here our website is already mobile responsive. Now here is a question, why our website is already mobile responsive even we did not use any tool on our website? It's only because I used a mobile responsive theme on my website. If you go to my WordPress dashboard and here go to appearance and then click on themes, you can see here I have Cadence theme that is activated on my website, and I am using this Cadence theme on my all websites. If you go to my website, my main website DigitCrafter, and go to its dashboard and then click on appearance and click on themes, and here you can see on my main website digitcrafter.com I am using this Cadence theme. On my other website, which is aiwebranker.com, I am also using same Cadence theme. Here go to appearance, click on themes, and you can see here I am using Cadence theme here also on my website aiwebranker.com. So why am I explaining you this? Because I have already tested this theme and I am using it after a thorough research. In my opinion, this is one of the best themes for WordPress, and if you watch my videos you know that I often recommend this theme. Anyway, let's get back to our point. The point was why our website is mobile friendly even we did not use any tool on our website. It's simply because of this theme. Anyway, whatever theme you use, make sure it is super fast and make sure it is simple and make sure finally it is mobile friendly. In fact, almost every theme is mobile friendly, but just make sure before using any theme that it is mobile friendly. So this was step number 6, that is testing your website for mobile devices. Now let's move to step number 7. Our technical SEO checklist is almost complete and I think this video deserves a like, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get notifications for my upcoming videos. Now let's get back. Step number 7 is adding sharing buttons. It somehow is not a part of technical SEO, but in my opinion, if anything that helps your website to grow or perform better, it falls under SEO practices. So why you need to add sharing buttons? Simply, if your visitors like your article and they want to share your article with their friends or someone else, how they are going to share it if you don't have sharing buttons or anything else to help them share your article with their friends? So let me show you how you can add these sharing buttons. Go to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins, click on add new plugin, and here search for Sassy sharing plugin. So this plugin is very awesome. It's very helpful to grow your audience. It has 100,000 active installations. So click install now and then click on activate. And by the way, I am using this plugin on my main website DigitCrafter. If you go to any article, for example this article here, and you can see here these are social sharing buttons. Now if anyone likes my article, it will be easier for them to share my article. In this way, it will help my website to bring more visitors and increase traffic of my website. Now let's go back to Sassy plugin and click on Sassy social share. Here you will find different options for your standard interface theme. You can choose round, square or rectangle. It's up to you. After your theme selection, next you can choose standard interface or floating interface. It's up to you. The floating interface is similar like to this one that I am using on my website. For example, this one. These social sharing buttons will move up and down, float up and down with my article. So go back to floating settings, and here you can add different social share buttons. For example, here you can add Facebook, you can add X that you call Twitter, you can also add WhatsApp, LinkedIn. So you have so many options. Choose whatever is your preference. So these sharing buttons are super helpful and you must have these social sharing buttons on your website. And friends, our free technical SEO checklist is complete. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. That will help me to make more and more videos on digital marketing, making money online, SEO and much more. Until next video, take care. Bye.